Welcome to our animated journey into the world of sourdough bread. Now, you might be thinking, bread? Animated? Is this a cartoon about talking baguettes? Well, not exactly. We're going to use the magic of animation to take a peek inside a loaf of sourdough to understand what makes it so special. Today, we're diving into the top benefits of this delicious and nutritious bread. So buckle up, Buttercup, because things are about to get yeasty. Let's talk about the glycemic index, or GI for short. This handy measure helps us understand how different foods affect our blood sugar levels. It's like a guidebook for your diet, showing you which foods will give you a quick sugar spike and which ones will keep you steady. This measure tells us how quickly a food can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Imagine eating something that makes your blood sugar levels soar and then plummet. It's not a fun ride. White bread? Yeah, that's a one-way ticket to Sugar Rush Mountain. It sends your blood sugar skyrocketing, only to crash down soon after, leaving you feeling tired and hungry again. But sourdough? Sourdough takes a more leisurely route thanks to those awesome little critters called lactobacilli. These beneficial bacteria are the unsung heroes of the bread world. These microscopic helpers work their magic during fermentation, breaking down starches and sugars in a way that creates a lower GI bread. This process not only makes the bread easier to digest, but also helps in maintaining a balanced blood sugar level. That means a slower, more sustained energy release for you, instead of a sugar crash. So next time you're choosing bread, remember that sourdough might just be the better option for keeping your energy levels steady and your mood uplifted. Ever feel like you're not getting the most out of your food? Like you're putting in the effort to eat healthily, but something still feels off? Like you're eating all the right things, but something's missing? Maybe you're not feeling as energized or as satisfied as you should be. Well, with sourdough, you can rest assured that your body is getting the most bang for its buck. This isn't just any bread, it's a nutritional powerhouse. The fermentation process, led by our little lactobacilli friends, doesn't just make the bread tastier, it transforms it into a superfood. It actually helps unlock nutrients like iron, zinc, and magnesium, making them easier for your body to absorb. These essential minerals are crucial for your overall health. It's like giving your digestive system a VIP pass to a nutrient buffet. Imagine your body effortlessly absorbing all the goodness, leaving you feeling more vibrant and alive. Probiotic Powerhouse. Now let's talk about gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It's what gives bread its chewy texture and helps it rise. But for some people, gluten can cause a range of digestive issues. For some folks, gluten is like that friend who overstays their welcome. It just doesn't sit well. Symptoms can include bloating, gas, and even more severe digestive discomfort. But sourdough, with its longer fermentation process, partially breaks down gluten. This fermentation process involves natural bacteria and yeast that help to pre-digest the gluten, making it less problematic. This means it can be easier on the digestive system for some people with gluten sensitivities. The natural fermentation process can also increase the availability of nutrients and make the bread more digestible. Now, I'm not saying it's a free-for-all for those with celiac disease, as they must strictly avoid gluten. But for those with non-celiac gluten sensitivity, sourdough might be a more tolerable option. So if you have mild sensitivities, sourdough might just be your new best friend. Enjoying a slice of sourdough could be a way to savor bread without the discomfort. Probiotic Powerhouse. You know how we're always told to eat our probiotics, those good bacteria that keep our guts happy? Well, sourdough is like a tiny probiotic factory. The fermentation process creates an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive. These little helpers can contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, which is linked to everything from better digestion to a stronger immune system. The long and short of shelf life. Let's face it, nobody likes wasting food, especially a good loaf of bread. And with sourdough, you're less likely to find yourself tossing out moldy slices. The natural acidity from the fermentation process acts as a natural preservative, meaning your sourdough loaf will stay fresh longer than your average store-bought bread. So go ahead, savor that sourdough flavor, knowing you've got time on your side. Outro sourdough, rise to the occasion. And there you have it, the top benefits of sourdough bread. From its low GI to its gut-healthy probiotics, sourdough is more than just a tasty treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Next time you reach for a loaf, remember all the goodness packed inside. Thanks for watching and happy baking.